What's going on, guys? Steve for CryptoManiaks here. Today we'll be covering a very important topic, the top 5 use cases for cryptocurrencies. If you've watched some of our other videos, you should know a little bit about what cryptocurrencies are and why they exist. But now, let's delve a little deeper. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the crypto world together. The first established cryptocurrency use case is also the only one that most people are familiar with. The first blockchain-based cryptocurrency platform was Bitcoin. It offered people an alternative to traditional banking. With Bitcoin, individuals can store and transfer currency without having to rely on a central authority. The cryptocurrency with the second largest market cap as of right now is Ethereum, and with good reason. Known as the first blockchain 2.0, Ethereum has successfully demonstrated 2 huge new use cases for cryptocurrencies. The one that we'll cover first is the ability to host decentralized apps. Decentralized apps, or DApps, have provided a decentralized alternative to the applications that we've become comfortable using. Unlike traditional apps like Facebook or Twitter that rely on entities that store data, DApps have no central authorities and no single points of failure. We've just started to see DApps emerge on Ethereum, and the potential for the future of DApps has many people very excited. Another huge innovation made possible by Ethereum is a smart contract. Smart contracts remove the need for trust between individuals who want to do business with each other. Let's say Bob wants to buy a car from Sally. Before smart contracts, Bob would have to give Sally the money and hope she gives him the car without running off with his money. With smart contracts, such a violation of trust would be impossible. Smart contracts only execute once their terms are met. Using Bob and Sally as our example, if Sally failed to hand over the car, Bob's money would be returned automatically. Smart contracts are self-executing, based upon the code that has been agreed upon by both parties. Did you ever watch Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? It was a quiz show where if the contestants didn't know the answer to a tough question, they could ask the audience for help. Every member of the audience guessed the correct answer to the question. Astonishingly, over the lifetime of the show, the audience was correct 90% of the time. This is because of something called the wisdom of the crowd, a phenomenon by which groups of people can make more accurate predictions and guesses than one individual can on their own. Now, cryptocurrencies like Augur and HiveMind are using this concept to make decentralized prediction markets, where individuals can make predictions about any uncertain outcome, from sports games to future weather, and win money if they're correct. It might sound like gambling, and it can be used for that, but it's much more exciting than that. As these prediction markets gather more data and get smarter, our artificial intelligence will actually become more accurate at predicting future events. You're using a device right now to watch this video. That device has a certain amount of computing power, but you don't use all of it all the time. You probably don't even use most of it most of the time. What if you could sell your device's unused computing power to people who need it without giving up your device? This is exactly what Gollum, a promising emerging cryptocurrency, will give individuals the ability to do. Projects like Gollum will give individuals new ways to generate income while reducing overall inefficiency. By now, you should be starting to understand that cryptocurrencies really are a huge part of the future of technology. We've outlined 5 amazing use cases, but there are plenty of others that we didn't have time for today. There are hundreds of blockchain-based projects being developed every day, and many of them have different goals. The more you learn about cryptocurrencies, the more you'll understand about their power and potential for the future. CryptoManiaks.com is your #1 source for crypto education and information. I'll see you in the next video.